US Department of State described human rights violations in China as a form of oppression that has not been since 1930. US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo described, quoted from the recent Human Rights Report, significant human rights violations happening in Iran, South Sudan, and Nicaragua. Two famous doctors were interned in Kashgar and subsequently killed. The two founders of private hospitals, Turguncham Ubul Qasim and Kurban Hajim, were subjected to constant torture after their arrest, which cost them their lives. As the Chinese Central People's Radio reported, the first borderless international trade market is to be opened as part of the Silk Road project between Kyrgyz in East Turkestan and the Kazakh border. Since the beginning of the Chinese Silk Road project 2 years ago, oppressive measures against minorities in East Turkestan have become rampant. The US Senate adopts a bill to withdraw any military units, whether directly or indirectly involved in the Yemen war, from the base. The approval of the draft is interpreted in response to the Saudi Arabia policy of Donald Trump. Taiwan's President Tsai Ing-wen openly criticized the Chinese proposal under the slogan "One Land, Two Systems." An Fengshan, spokesman for China's affairs in Taiwan, responded by dismissing the president's reaction and calling the head of the state's aspiring to independence a waste.